Put on the epoxy boards. Place the battery cells in order. Fasten the front bracket. Stick the EVA tapes on the bracket. Fasten the PCB board on the bracket. Put on the flexible bus bars. Fasten with 6 Nm torque. Connect the cables to the circuit breaker. Fasten the circuit breaker on the front panel. Fasten the terminals. Fasten the switch. Fasten the BMS. Connect B cable. Connect P cable. Connect the PCB board and switch cables to the BMS. Connect the circuit breaker positive. Connect B cable to the battery cell. Connect PCB cables. Fasten outside screws. Fasten the top panel. Open the JK app. Connected. Modify password.